Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to add Bluetooth to your old stereo. As you can see, this is a very old. It's working. It's completely functional. Car stereo, and it doesn't have Bluetooth. It has USB and it has the AUX in, but it doesn't have any Bluetooth. And I want to show you how to add Bluetooth to your car stereo. First things first, you have to buy a kit called the HW 770. It's under $2 at AliExpress. I'm going to show you how to add this to your car stereo. And you need screwdrivers and solder and nothing else. And then let's just do it. Okay, first you have to open it. It's completely broken, and that's why it has tapes on it. Okay, now all right. So this one's out. Now I have to open this panel. So let's just do it. This is the volume knob. Okay, it has not. I think it's sorry. It's not, but it has another wire. So let's unscrew these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it's not here as well. Not here. Okay, open this because one of the buttons, you can see it got stuck, and that's why I just opened it. So now we have to solder this to this board. I'm going to explain, but first let's take a look at this. Alright, this is the kit. Focus. It has audio jack, and it has a USB for input as the electrical power, but also it has, can you see it? Oh my god, yes, you can solder the 5-volt here to charge the board. And for this input I have to solder this to this one. Now I have to find the 5 volts on the car stereo. Alright. It has two outputs. You can solder to this or to this 3.5 jack, and the input, oh my god, it has two input, a micro USB and a direct one, and I have to solder this into this USB 5 volt, the first and the fourth one, and because I couldn't find any 5 volt on the board. And about the output, I have to solder the output of the board, these three, LR and GND, that's ground, into this 30.5 meter jack. And how I can find the ground, this is, I have a jack here, I have a jack, first one is ground, second one, oh my god, first one is ground, second one is right, and this one, the last one, is left. Oh my god. Alright, so ground, right, and left. Are you going? Let's see. Oh, I plugged in. Alright, so this one is ground. Alright, we need a multimeter or multimeter. We need to set it to, you see. Ground, left, right. This is the USB, and this is what is on the board here. So I have to solder these three into this, and I have to solder this first and fourth into this. Let me grab some wire and come back to. Alright, this is over. Do you see it? Soldered properly. Now we have to do the other side of the USB.
So I connect. You see, this kit is on. So I have to check it. But if I go to another page, it will turn off. So I don't know. Let me check it.
It's connected successfully.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, as you see, it worked. And I want to mention something else, that it only consumes approximately 2 watts, so it doesn't need a very thick wire. Another thing that I have to mention is that you have to glue this to the case so it doesn't move around and everything will be destroyed. This is a piece of paper that will fix this problem. If it's not too thick, I think it's too thick. No, it's good. So it won't lose. It won't lose that easily. Alright, it's over. Thank you so much for watching.